Vibrant Performance has developed one of the most comprehensive and diverse offerings of high-performance fluid delivery components, and we are excited to continue growing this program. Our ever-expanding program consolidates your needs and consists of flexible race hoses, hose end fittings, a huge selection of adapter fittings, weld bungs, valves, fluid filters, catch cans, a variety of tools, accessories, and much more. These race-proven products continue to deliver outstanding quality and reliability at a fantastic value. Vibrant Performance has emerged as the source for top quality and readily accessible professional plumbing solutions, all delivered at a great value. Vibrant Performance fittings are made from 6061 aluminum with a black hard anodized finish that is durable and scratch resistant. Our fittings consist of reusable hose ends and have a size range from -4 AN to -20 AN. All Vibrant Braided or nylon hose has an outer braid to help resist contact abrasion, while the inner rubber line is E85 friendly and suitable for oils, fuel, coolant, and vacuum service. Vibrant hoses are used in various levels of performance, and for race applications use, we recommend using polytetrafluoroethylene, or as we call it, PTFE, for the highest performance applications. Our PTFE flex hose is capable of handling higher operating temperatures, operating or burst pressure, and eliminates fuel vapor permeation with the PTFE inner liner. This means that when your car is in your garage or run fuel lines through your cabin, you won't be smelling any of the vapors that get through rubber hose. The fittings for the PTFE lined hose have a full flow design and are optimal for use with nitrous, cooling, oil, power steering, and coolant. Vibrant Performance also has an expansive range of adapter fittings for a variety of applications. Please note that we do not recommend using fittings for hydraulic pressures as found in brakes and power steering systems. Be sure to also check out our extensive range of assembly tools available to make assembly and installation easier, but also prevent marring, scratches, and damage to your fittings. If you're curious to what other products we have in our fabrication program, please be sure to find us at vibrantperformance.com. Check our other YouTube videos or follow us on any social platform.